How to fix Wattpad app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's solution, I will teach you guys how you can fix your Wattpad not working. So the first step is we will just clear out Wattpad's cache memory. So to do that, first you'll need to head over to your settings. On your settings, head over to General, search for General, and after you find it, open it up. After you're on your General, head over to iPhone storage. Tap on it, and after you're on your iPhone storage, simply scroll down until you find Wattpad. You can search for it on the top as well and open it up. Now all you have to do is offload the app. Tap on it and tap on offload app and then reinstall it. That will clear out your Wattpad's cache and you should check if the problem is fixed. So after that, the second solution is really simple. All you have to do is check for your Wi-Fi's connection. Now sometimes your Wi-Fi might not be working correctly or the internet connection might not be stable, so that can be the reason why your Wattpad app is not working. So you can try to just disconnect and connect back to your Wi-Fi, and after you do that, your problem can get fixed. Now the last thing that I recommend you guys doing is using a VPN. Now you can use whichever VPN that you want. You can use a lot of VPN. There are a lot of VPNs available. You can use whichever VPN you want because sometimes Wattpad might be down in your region. So try to connect to a different region and then try to use your Wattpad and your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. That is how you fix Wattpad app not working. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.